Hello and welcome to Dixie Belle Paint's YouTube channel. I'm Laura from Cherubs Chalks Interiors. Today I'm here to show you how I transformed this pretty little storage box using the new Cottage Collection colours along with the brand new Hydrangea and Lilies Transfer. So this is how the box started out. I actually got this for £2 from a local car boot and I saw potential in it straight away, however it is looking rather dated at the moment. I started off by sanding the existing paintwork to smooth out the surface and to create a good base for my paint to adhere to. Next up, it's time to clean all over, starting with White Lightning and then rinsing that off with some plain water. Now I'm going to apply a base coat of the gorgeous Secret Path. This is a lovely lilac shade which has been released as part of the Cottage Collection, which is in the chalk mineral paint line. Next up, I'm going to apply 2 coats of Cottage Door. This is also part of the Cottage Collection and is a gorgeous salmon pink. I've now grabbed a fine grit sandpaper and I'm going to distress all over to reveal some of that lovely lilac from underneath. I'm so excited to show you the brand new Hydrangeas and Lilies Transfer. This one is right up my street with all those lovely florals, the butterflies and the sweet little birds. I knew I had to use this one as soon as I saw it. So I start out by cutting and separating all of the different pieces of the transfer. I can then design them exactly as I want on the box. I recommend when cutting to try and leave as much space around each section of transfer as possible to make it easier when applying. This will help you to avoid damaging any of the paintwork when you are burnishing using the wooden transfer tool. Applying the transfers is always the most exciting part of the project for me. So I've removed the white backing paper, placed the transfer into the position that I want it, and now I'm just using the wooden transfer tool to burnish the transfer onto the piece. So basically just rubbing over the transfer paper to make sure that the transfer adheres. I find it best to work slowly and gradually peel the transfer paper away, making sure that all of the transfer is now attached to your piece instead of the paper. If you find that some of the transfer is still stuck to the sheet, you can just go over that area again. When you are applying a transfer around a corner or over an uneven surface, like here where I'm applying it to the panel, I put that section of transfer into position and then work from one side to the other, paying particular attention to where the surface changes to make sure that you don't get any cracks in the transfer. I do find that Dixie Belle transfers are particularly good at being flexible and going around corners and staying in one piece. However, it can take a little bit of practice to get the technique right, so just go ahead and give it a try. Once the transfer is in place, it's time to apply your clear coat. This is going to create a protective seal to protect your paintwork and your transfer and give you a wipeable, durable surface. I will apply 2 coats of satin clear coat for full protection. Here is the final look. This storage box has had a total transformation and is now looking super pretty and ready to store all of your favourite things. I hope that you enjoyed this makeover. You can now find all of the new Cottage Collection colours plus the new transfer, Hydrangea and Lilies, at your local retailer or over on the Dixie Belle Paint website. For more videos like this, be sure to subscribe, leave a comment and turn on your post notifications to be notified when we next post. Thank you for watching and I'll see you again next time.